before, so this is your cover lesson for Thursday. It should just be after lunch. This is your starter. I want you to have a go at working out each of these percentages, 10% of $8, 20% of $8, and so on. Do as many as you can. Do them in your head or on a piece of paper. No calculator, okay? And I will give you about 5 minutes, okay? So 5 minutes after the time that you start, and then that is it, okay? We have to move on after that, okay? So I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, so pause for 5 minutes and then restart. Okay, so hopefully you've had a good go at that. It should be 5 minutes or up. If you need an extra minute, another pause for another minute and then start again, but we're going to go through now, okay? So first off, 10% of $8. Remember, to work out 10% of anything, the way that we do it, to work out 10% of anything, all you have to do is divide by 10, okay? So if I'm going to work out 10% of $8, I've got my $8, and if I'm dividing by 10, I move the decimal point one place to the left. So I end up with 0.8. Now we're dealing in dollars and cents, so I need to have how many decimal places? 2, so it would be 0.80 cents. Now if I want 20%, it's going to be double this, okay? So double 80 cents is $1.60. And so on. 30% is going to be 3 times 80 cents. Okay, 30% is 3 times as much as 10%. So 3 times $80, 80 cents is 3 8s are 24, so it'd be $2.40. 40%, well, we could do 4 times the 10%, or we could double the 20%, which is going to give us $3.20. 50% of $8 is, well, 50% is half of $8, which is $4, which hopefully everyone got. We should be able to notice each time that we're going up by how much each time? We're going up by the 80 cents each time. So 60% is going to be $4.80. It's 80 cents more than the last one, or it is 6 times 80 cents. Okay, so sorry there, I got a little bit interrupted. So $4.80 for 60%. 70% is 7 times 80 cents, which will be 7 8s are 56, so $5.60. 80%, well, that's double 40%. So that's $6.40. 90% is 9 times the 80, or you could do 3 times 30. Okay, 3 times 24 is the same as 0.8 times 9, which is $7.20. And 100% of $8, well, it's the full amount, $8. So if we have a look at these ones, $10, 10% of $8 is our 80 cents. 5% is, well, that's half of 10%, and half of 0.8 is 0.4. 2.5%, well, that's half again, so we're dividing each time by 2, so that's 0.2. And 1.25, well, that is half again, that's half of 2.5, so that is 0.1, so 10 cents. And then 0.625, well, if we notice, if we add 5, add 1.25, actually, sorry, apologies, if 0.625, that is half of 1.25, so we're dividing by 2 again, so that gives us half of 10 cents is 5 cents. Okay, so hopefully you got all that okay. Okay, so give yourselves a tick or make any corrections that you need. So what I want us to do first is to have a look on Manage Back. Okay, if you go to Manage Back and under Classes, M4, and under Files, I have put the e-assessment in this folder. Okay, so under Files, okay, you should be able to see e-assessment, November 16. This one's for the Mac, this one's for the PC. Now everyone should have this already on their computer. If you don't, Liam has a copy of the PC one, okay, so you'll need to get a copy of him, okay, but I think that should just be Liam and Ian. Everybody else either has it on their computer or you can download it from here now. Okay, so if you go ahead and open that up, and we will just talk through. So if I go in and open it myself, so the school code, remember, is ABC123, candidate code ABC123, access code is 9999. So if I'm going too fast or anything, just pause it until you get caught up. So unlock. Remember, it doesn't really matter what you type in here. Just hit submit and continue. Hit start. And remember what I said, I recommend that you go into Assistance and go to Invigilator Access. Okay, so Assistance, Invigilator Access, and the Invigilator code is ABC321. Okay, that's capital ABC. Hit unlock and add yourself some additional time. Okay, now this is in minutes, so add 240 minutes. That will give you plenty of extra time. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to go through this and have a go at as much as possible. Now the questions that I have singled out, I want you to have a look at are question 1. Okay, now get used to typing into the answer box. So this is your answer box. You've got an equation editor, so you can type equations. Get used to playing about with this. You also have a calculator, which you can use. Get used to that, and remember, anything you put into the calculator, you can transfer right across onto the screen. So please get used to playing about with it. A lot of this stuff you can manipulate. Not on this one, but I think on the one underneath, you can have a look. And have a go at these questions. First one should be easy enough. Okay, so have a go at that. I also want you to have a look at question 2. There's a video that you can watch. Question 3. Now you may or may not have covered a lot on probability and mean, mode, and median, but have a go at it, see how you get on, okay? Remember, the formulas are given to you as well. The other question was question 5. Although this looks nasty, you should be capable of doing this. This is a nice trigonometric question. And also, number 6. Okay, I want you to have a go at number 6 as well. Do not let all of this stuff confuse you, the graph and the nasty looking equation, okay? Just take your time with it, read through it carefully, you should be fine, okay? Now I'm going to exit out, and I'll write the questions that I want you to do. So again, where are we? In here. So if I write down, we are looking at, so this is on the e-assessment. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 5, and question 6. Okay, have a good go at those. See how you get on. And when you've spent a good 30 minutes on it, okay, doing as much as possible, what you can then do is, if you go to the YouTube channel, and if you don't remember where the YouTube channel is, again, if you go back to Manage Back, under Files, there's a link right here. Okay, if you click on this link, it will open up a document, and this is where you will find the videos. Okay. So under playlists, if you go to e-assessments, you will see that there are solutions here for these questions. Okay, so you can see here is question 1. Okay, and I worked through it, so you will have full answers for this as well. Okay, this is question 1 to 4. Question 5 to 8 can be found here. Okay, so have a look through it. Do as much as possible of the assessment. Play about with it, like I said. Put stuff in. You know, it's not something that it's going to get marked. It's more for your practice of doing it, seeing how familiar it is, and you know, using the calculator, using the formulas, typing into the boxes. Do as much as possible, and then come out and watch the actual solutions. Okay, and that should be enough for today. Now, if you've got any questions, please, you can send me an email. You should all be aware that my email address, rcunningham, I'm on a course at the minute. And I will get back to you as soon as I can, which is usually within a couple of hours. Okay, so you can always email me any questions. Okay.